Hi, good afternoon and congratulations everybody. My first question, of course, would be a whip around for you all. What was the best lesson that you learned from your parents upon officially joining show business? We can start with Ryan.
Hello. Thank you all for coming. Can you say the question again, please?
What was the best lesson that your parents taught you before you embarked on showbiz?
I would say the best lesson that my parents taught me is always make the best of things, no matter how difficult things may seem, because it just makes everything a lot easier and stuff like that.
Hello po. Thank you for the question. I'd say coming from my mom, she always told me to always be yourself and to never hide who you are, no matter how you are, and just always be real. Yeah.
Hi guys, thank you all for coming. Sa akin naman po yung dad ko, lagi niya lang ina-advise sa akin na stay humble, laging kung saan ka galing, yun lang lagi ang iisipin mo at mahalin mo lahat ng taong sumusuporta sa'yo. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Hi guys, so for me, I think my parents just always have told me to take every opportunity you can get. Going into Viva alone, of course, I was reluctant, but then with their support and their advice, I took the chance, and I'm really grateful that I did.
Hi po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon po. For me, yung advice ng dad ko na I always take with me is yung to stay humble and always treat everyone with respect, especially sa set. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming. I think the number one thing na my parents tell me is to stay grounded, stay humble, and to be positive, because it's super easy to be affected by all the negativity nowadays, lalo na sa social media. So, yun talaga, they always remind me to be positive.
That was wonderful. Okay, hello guys, I'm Jaime. So, I've gotten a lot of advice from my family, but one thing that really stuck to me was to appreciate the moment and make sure to work hard for the future, because in this industry, everything can come so quickly that you forget that you also have to work hard for the future that you want to live in. And some of us, since we're all young, we can get stuck in the jewelry of show business that we tend to forget the future that we need to focus on. So that's something that I stick with me.
Pasensya na po, wala akong dalang dictionary eh. Siguro po yung tinuro po ng parents ko na maging humble lang at syempre treat everyone with respect. Dahil lahat naman ng nasa set, mga arte, production team, ay nagtatrabaho lang naman po kagaya natin. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss MJ. And next we have Miss Charmy Pagulong from Philippine Star.
Hello. So one question lang para sa lahat. So what was the reaction of your parents when you first told them that you want to embark on showbiz?
Hello. My parents' reaction when they found out that I wanted to do showbiz, they were surprised because I'm more of a sporty kind of guy, so that's what made them so surprised.
For me po, they were surprised din kasi I'm more of a introvert or shy kind of person, and so kind of expressing myself through showbiz and expressing my talents, it's something that they're very surprised about. And
Ako po actually same lang din kasi yung dad ko, since bata po ako, lagi lang ako nagbabasketball and wala akong interest po talaga showbiz. Kaya nung nalaman niya po, really supportive po siya. Kinontak niya po, which is andito rin po si Tito Odge. Thank you, Tito Odge, sa pagsuporta rin po sa akin. And yeah, super natuwa po yung dad ko. And hanggang ngayon pa rin naman po sumusuporta pa Thank you po.
I think for me, the reaction from my parents was just support because when I was really young, I also really wanted to be an actress. I guess that was like my first dream job, but I actually didn't expect na mapupunta ako dito. So, yeah.
Yung parents ko naman, they were very supportive, but yung bilin lang talaga sa akin ng dad ko was to finish my studies, huwag pabayaan ng studies. And ngayon na nakagraduate na, mas naging supportive siya. Thanks, Gabby.
Same din. Supportive din sila. Actually, there was a time na I thought ayaw ko na mag-showbiz. After school, I started working like a normal parang marketing job na, and then I quit, and then the opportunity presented itself. And sila yung nag-push sa akin. Kasi I think they know na yung dream ko talaga is to be a singer. And ayun, I tried, I'm here, I'm like, I'm just trying out showbiz.
That was very heartwarming. Right. For me, at first my family wasn't supportive because they know how hard it is to be in showbiz. Both of my parents were in the industry and they know this industry is not stable. But after a while, I persuaded them and then I showed them how hard I was really dedicated into acting. So, at first, actually, di ko naman sinabi sa kanila na gusto ko maging artista. Alam na nila yun, dinadala nila ako sa set lagi. Nung sinabi ko na lang sa kanila ay na-cast na ako sa mga project, doon ko na lang sa kanila sinabi. Kasi syempre, ayoko naman sabihin, ay, nag-sign na ako sa Viva, magkaka-project tayo kahit wala namang nangyari. So, inantay ko talaga na makakuha ko ng project bago sabihin sa kanila. Tapos yun, doon na sila napasaya, sabi na, ay, matagal ko tong pinangarap. I've been praying so long for you, Jaime. So now they're very supportive of me.
Siyempre po, nagulat po at natuwa at the same time. And sabi naman po nila, as long as gusto ko yung gagawin ko, patuloy nila akong susuportahan po dun. Pero yung nanay ko po kasi, nung narinig niya na magbibiba ako, kinabahan po siya. Akala niya Viva Max po agad. Pero sabi po namin dito lang, yun lang naman po.
Thank you.
Thank you po, Miss Charmy. Next, we have Sir Richard Paglikawan from Lionheart TV. Sorry.
Hi everyone, congratulations sa inyo. Good afternoon. Question ko lang is, ano yung may offer nyo sa showbiz? Ano yung gusto nyo pang mas pag-igihin na talent nyo? And sa palagay nyo, mas magsasucceed pa kayo with this talent? Start tayo with Ryan.